Welcome to the Mechanical Engineering Department at SRM University-AP, where cutting-edge infrastructure, experimental research, and interdisciplinary innovation converge to create future-ready engineers. Our laboratories are designed to provide hands-on exposure across manufacturing, materials, thermal sciences, fluid engineering, advanced instrumentation, robotics, and emerging technologies. The Material Science Laboratory is a specialized facility dedicated to studying the structure-property relationships of engineering materials. Advanced characterization techniques enable investigation of microstructure, composition, mechanical behavior, and performance under diverse operating conditions. Students engage with intelligent robotic systems and modern experimental platforms, fostering research in automation, mechatronics, artificial intelligence, and next-generation manufacturing technologies. The Engineering Tools Laboratory houses comprehensive manufacturing facilities, including all-geared lathes, CNC turning and milling centers, radial drilling machines, surface and cylindrical grinders, universal milling machines, and advanced welding systems. Advanced welding and metal joining processes provide practical understanding of manufacturing science, structural integrity, and industrial fabrication methodologies. The 3D Printing Laboratory features fused deposition modeling and stereolithography systems, high-resolution 3D scanners, and research-oriented bioprinters for rapid prototyping and advanced product development. Bioprinting technology enables fabrication of three-dimensional biological structures using cells, biomaterials, and growth factors, supporting research in tissue engineering and biomedical applications. The Fluid Mechanics Laboratory facilitates detailed investigation of fluid behavior through experiments involving Venturi and orifice meters, Reynolds apparatus, friction loss studies, Bernoulli's theorem, centrifugal pump performance, series and parallel pump operations, Pelton wheel turbines, and Francis turbine systems. The Heat Transfer Laboratory supports experimental studies in conduction, convection, and radiation. Facilities include natural and forced convection setups, thermal conductivity measurement, heat pipe demonstration units, emissivity apparatus, critical insulation studies, transient heat transfer systems, condensation experiments, and parallel and counterflow heat exchangers. This laboratory enables analysis of machine elements and dynamic systems through experiments on shaft critical speed, journal bearings, governors, gyroscopic principles, cam follower mechanisms, vibration analysis, and advanced photoelastic stress investigations using a research polariscope. Precision engineering is strengthened through sophisticated metrology facilities, including a coordinate measuring machine, autocollimator, Mitutoyo surface roughness tester, profile projector, slip gauges, sine bar, digital vernier calipers, and advanced gauging techniques for dimensional inspection and quality assurance. At SRM University-AP, these world-class laboratories provide an ecosystem for experiential learning, innovation-driven research, industrial collaboration, and technological excellence in mechanical engineering.